What's up? We got 2002 Ford Expedition. We got a customer's complaint of a humming noise coming from the back somewhere by the fuel pump area. And we found that when it's got suction coming from the purge line, we get a nice little hum noise. You guys can all hear that coming from this canister in case you guys are experiencing an annoying ass humming noise by the fuel tank area. And we disconnected the vent valve and the noise has not changed. You can feel a little bit of vibration on the actual canister itself. And I'm just kind of manually putting a little bit of suction while it's purging so it can actually make its little whistle. So when you guys got this problem, take a look at this canister. That